Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So the tire pressure module fuses, guys, where you can find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. What you need to do, guys, you need to go ahead and open the hood. Once you open the hood, you come to the driver's side. This is your car battery. Right in front of it, guys, you see that cover? That's your main engine fuse box. It has two tabs. Press them, it will open, and on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, here what you need to check, okay, specifically for the tire pressure module, one fuse. Make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere. The tire pressure module fuse is known as fuse number 46, guys, right here. But you see how you have different kinds of fuses and relays. Always keep some spare ones, guys, because one time we were in the middle of nowhere, small town, we couldn't buy a replacement one and we were stuck until we got a shipment, guys. So always keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.